So today what I want to show you is exactly how you can use pins just like this to generate over $300 on total autopilot every single day. Now you can see this account right here is actually generating 310,000 monthly views. You can see this account right here is actually generating 1.9 million monthly views just using the power of the method I'm about to reveal to you. Now this method is totally worldwide and requires no previous experience, which I know you guys will love. So if you like methods that are copy paste, simple, and incredibly easy, then you're going to want to follow me through this entire video as I reveal this method step by simple step. See, all you have to do with this method is copy this link here, go to a site like this, paste the link, go ahead and download it, and you can start to generate hundreds of dollars a day very, very easily. What's going on? Garrett here, back with another video. And like I said, in today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the easiest methods you can use to start to generate money online. Now, this method is great and it only takes about 10 minutes a day. So once you have this set up and once you follow the simple steps, you're going to be able to go out there and duplicate this over and over and over again so you can have floods of money coming into your bank account even while you're sleeping. Now, before I dive in, if you're excited to learn that, be sure you smash the like button to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to the very first step. Okay, so the very first step is you want to go to Pinterest.com and we want to create a business account. Now, it's very important you create your business account because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be driving massive clicks and traffic to the link in our bio. And we want to set up a business account because that allows us to see our stats, our analytics, and really be able to grow a lot faster. So with this method, it really works in whatever niche you want to go in, okay? Whether it's health and fitness, relationships, making money online, the sky is the limit with this method. Now for this video, I'm going to share with you the make money online niche because I know a lot of my viewers are in that niche. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to actually start posting content, okay? Now, don't worry, you're not even going to have to create the content yourself. I'm going to share with you two incredibly powerful methods inside of this video to generate tons of traffic and visitors to your bio without even having to create the content yourself. So the very first method is once you've decided on a niche, so let's say making money online, we can go to a site like TikTok. Now, TikTok is incredibly powerful, and what you can do is you can go to this top bar and you want to type a few words that have to do with your niche. So for me, I can type in make money online and I can search that. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to share with us the top videos on TikTok that are in that specific niche. So what we want to do is we want to go through and we want to find a video that's incredibly popular because what we're going to do is we're actually going to hijack this video and we're going to be able to siphon massive visitors to our profile on Pinterest using a little known trick that I'm going to share in just a second. Okay, so we want to look through. Now, this one right here could be perfect because it's over 5 million views, okay, and tons of likes. So we know this video works incredibly well. So what we can do is we can go to the top URL and we can copy that URL, and then we can go to a website called SSSTick.io. And what this allows you to do is you can literally just paste this link in like this, and I can hit download, and this will start downloading this video without the watermark, okay? Now, why is this powerful? Well, because what we're going to be able to do is literally re-upload this video to our Pinterest and we can start to get massive amounts of views, okay? So once you go back to Pinterest, what we want to do is we want to go to create and we want to create an idea pin, okay? The idea pin is what's getting the most visitors and the most views right now, so we want to use that. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to actually click this and we want to open this up and upload the video we just downloaded from TikTok without the watermark. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so the cool thing about creating an idea pin on Pinterest is once you upload, you can actually put a title, you can put text on the video, which is really cool. So I could say something like, you know, click link in bio for more info. Okay, I can actually add that there and I can hit next. Now, what we want to do is we want to actually do a couple things. First off, the title. Okay, I highly recommend you use a title that's curiosity building, that gets people wanting to click the pin and watch the video. So I could say something like easy money method revealed. Okay, something like that. Now, board, I highly recommend you create a board that has to do with a specific niche that you're in. Okay, so for example, I can create a board that has to do with, make money online, and I can create that. And then as I do this method daily, I can start posting these viral TikTok videos onto my Pinterest profile, and I can start getting massive views because I already know this works. Okay, so after we add it to a board, you then want to search for tags. These tags are going to be how people actually discover the video on Pinterest. I can type in, money. Okay, just a few tags that have to do with the video, so it will show up in Pinterest. And then once you're done, you just want to click publish. And what this will do is this will actually post this viral TikTok to your Pinterest. And again, because we know this video already worked well, we can start to get massive views, which will lead to people clicking the link in our bio. Now, another incredibly powerful place you can actually get viral content to post on your Pinterest business account is actually Pinterest itself. Okay, so what you can do is you can actually go up here to the search bar, and I can type in a few words that have to do with the niche. So for example, let's say I'm in a lifestyle niche. Okay, so I can actually search in lifestyle, and you can see that all these different posts appear. Now you can actually filter by videos. Okay, so this will show you popular videos that have to do with lifestyle. So for example, this one right here. Okay, so this one's very popular. It has 389 engagements. Now what we want to do, once we find a very popular pin, we want to actually go to the top and we want to copy that link. And then we can go to a website like expertstrick.com. Now, what we can do is we can actually download Pinterest videos totally for free. So we just paste that link in there. We wait for the button to appear. And then once it does, we can go ahead and download this. Okay, now once you're on this page, you just want to click these three dots and hit download. And that will download to your computer. Now, once you download this, we just want to go back to Pinterest. We want to go here. We want to actually go to create idea pin, and then we want to actually do the same process we did for the TikTok video. We want to upload this video here, and then we want to start to go through the process, putting in the information, the titles, and the tags. Okay, you can see I did it right there, and then we would just hit publish. Now, the next step is once we're starting to post this content, so now what I want to do is share with you exactly how to set up your bio so you can start to rake in money daily. So now that we're going to be posting this viral content to Pinterest to start to get massive amount of views, now we want to direct those views to our Pinterest bio so we can start to generate $300 or more a day on autopilot. Now what I want to do is I want to share with you exactly how to properly set up your Pinterest bio so you can ensure you're going to make the most amount of money very easily. So the first thing, we want to have our link in our bio, okay? So this link right here, we want it to lead to a high converting product. Now, if you're just starting off, I highly recommend you do affiliate marketing because you don't have to create the products or the website yourself. And in this video right now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to reveal to you the exact affiliate program that I recommend if you're a complete beginner, because this gives you funnels, high converting sales content, and even follow-up emails that will go out converting your leads for you even while you're sleeping. Now, there's actually going to be a link directly below this video. When you click that link, you're actually going to be able to join Legendary Marketer. Okay, now Legendary Marketer has been around for many years. It's incredibly popular. All you have to do is go to add cart. Now, it's literally just $7 to be able to join this affiliate program and this powerful system, okay? So all you have to do is hit add to cart. You'll get taken to the order form and you just pay the $7. And what that gives you access to, first off, is the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. So what this is 1 day for 15 days where you can actually go through and learn incredibly powerful skills to build a successful affiliate marketing business. The training in this is done by Dave Sharp. He's an 8-figure online earner. He's been crushing it online for many, many years. And each day you'll get a bite-sized lesson so you can start to really master affiliate marketing, to quit a job, travel the world, just do the things you want to do with the people you love doing it with. Now, once you actually go through that, you'll then be able to join the affiliate program. And what this affiliate program gives you is tons of different resources. So for example, there's these different affiliate links that you can get. So this one right here is a capture page. Now, I highly recommend whenever you're promoting on Pinterest, you want your bio link to lead people to a page like this. Now, this is a capture page because it actually collects your leads' information, their first name and their email address, because most people won't buy right away. A problem people have when they've tried affiliate marketing and Pinterest in the past is they send people right to a link to buy, and only about 1 person out of 100 are going to buy right away. So with this, we collect their email. And the cool thing about Legendary Marketer is they will actually follow up for you and send automated emails to convert your leads. So what we can do is we can take this long link, and we actually want to go to a website like bit.ly.com, because this allows us to create a shortened link. So I can go ahead and paste that long link in there. I can hit create, and now I basically have this shortened link. Okay, now the cool thing about bit.ly.com as well is they share with you stats. Okay, so you can see right here, I was able to get 200 total clicks, and I can actually see, you know, the locations and like what countries they're coming from. So bit.ly.com is very powerful. So we would just go back to our bio on our business account in Pinterest, and we would put the bit.ly link right here. Then what we would want to do is put some words in our bio describing what we do. So whatever your niche is, for this case, it'd be making money online. You can say, you know, hello, I'm insert your name. I teach people how to make money online. You know, if you're interested in learning more, click the link. And so as you do this powerful method, what you're doing is you're simply posting these pins that have been from other websites that have been proven to go viral, from TikTok and Pinterest even, and you're reposting them, and you're driving that massive traffic to the link in your bio. And because it's going to be capturing someone's email address, and it's going to be following up with them, and the person is going to buy, okay, from $7, with all the upsells and the different, you know, products that a Legendary Marketer has, you're going to be able to generate hundreds of dollars a day very easily. Just with this one program alone, I've made thousands of dollars, and it's very, very powerful. So like I said, I'm going to include a link directly below. Just click that link, and eventually my website will take you to this page, and you can go ahead and look over much more information on all the different days and the content and the training you're going to get. Sign up for the $7, and you can go ahead and promote this and make some serious income online. Anyway, my friend, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you got value and you want me to create more, be sure to smash the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified on my weekly videos. And until my next video, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon. Take care.